Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and location because Android needs both to detect nearby devices and estimate position. Once done, open your Bluetooth settings or a Bluetooth Finder app. These actively scan for the Airpods BLE signal. Make sure the Airpods are awake, open the case, or remove a bud so they advertise. You do this first to get a live signal and a MAC-style identifier. That signal is what the phone reads to show proximity, which is faster than guessing where you left them. Now you focus on the how. Use the app's signal strength or distance meter to home in on the Airpods. Walk slowly around with the phone. When the RSSI or distance improves, you are getting closer. Move methodically, check pockets, couch cushions, and short distances around furniture, because Bluetooth range and obstacles affect readings. If the buds are offline or dead, make sure to check Google Maps timeline for the last connected location, because that gives you a likely starting room to search from. Finish by confirming the find. Use the app's ring/play feature or attempt a Bluetooth connection to verify you have the right device. If they don't respond, open the case and check battery. A dead bud won't emit a signal. Make sure to restart Bluetooth and toggle location on your phone and try scanning with another Android device if available. If detection still fails, reset the Airpods, press and hold the case button and rescan. This often clears pairing glitches and restores discoverability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.